What is estimating in construction? A cost estimate is the approximation of the cost of a program, project, or operation. The cost estimate is the product of the cost estimating process. The cost estimate has a single total value and may have identifiable component values. A problem with the cost overrun can be avoided with a credible, reliable, and accurate cost estimate. A cost estimator is the professional who prepares cost estimates. There are different types of cost estimators, whose title may be preceded by a modifier, such as building estimator, or electrical estimator, or chief estimator. Other professionals such as quantity surveyors and cost engineers may also prepare cost estimates or contribute to cost estimates. In the U.S., according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there were 185,400 cost estimators in 2010. There are around 75,000 professional quantity surveyors working in the UK. Cost estimate types. Various projects and operations have distinct types of cost estimating, which vary in their composition and preparation methods. Some of the major areas include construction cost, I, detailed construction estimate, E, abstract construction estimate, manufacturing cost, software development cost, aerospace mission cost, resource exploration cost, facility operation cost, facility maintenance and repair cost, facility rehabilitation and renewal cost, facility retirement cost. Cost estimate classifications. Common cost estimate classifications historically used are order of magnitude, preliminary, definitive, financial. These correspond to modern published classes 5, 3, and 1, respectively. The U.S. Department of Energy and many others use a system of 5 classes of estimates.